Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Rakib. Welcome back once again. Today I would like to discuss an important matter with you. That is, you know that COVID-19 is a pandemic, okay? At present it is spreading widely all over the country. Uh, Despite of that, most of the people are not conscious in this situation. They are going out, they are not using hand sanitizer, they are not using mask, and they are roaming here and there. Not only that, but also they are going to marry in this situation. So my question is to all of you guys, so why are most of the people are not conscious in this situation? I think Bangladesh is a poor country. Uh, Most of the people in our country are poor. That's why if they stay at home, they will stay to date. Okay, so being compelled, they are going out in search of work. I think they are conscious, but consciousness is not working in this situation. Mm, but uh, guys, those who have economic ability, those who don't have economic problem in this situation are going out. They are violating various directives given by the government, and I think those who have economic ability should not come out. Okay, I think they had better stay at home. They had better stay at home. They should help to helpless people in this situation. Um if a person is impacted, that person will impact many people. So they should not go out. Okay. So let's talk about how we can contain this pandemic. Okay. First of all, I would like to say that we have to be conscious. Okay, so those who are conscious will create consciousness among other people. Okay, and every single moment we have to use hand sanitizer, we have to wear mask, and at last I'd like to mention one thing, that is economic loss can be recovered, but life can never be regained. Okay, at last I'd like to let you know that yesterday I had one information, that is one of my women t-shirts has been infected with this virus. Okay, uh, her lungs 35% damage. Her lungs has been 35% damage of 100%. Okay, uh, and her name is Kazi Apon Tibrani. I don't know, guys, what is waiting for her, and uh, and she has been admitted at Kumila Medical Hospital in Corona unit. Okay, so I'd like to request all of you guys, please pray for my teacher so that Allah protect him from coronavirus. Okay, so that's all our today. I'll come back with another video. Allah Hafiz.